In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your iCloud backup data in just 5 minutes. Whether you're making sure your important information is safely stored or preparing to switch devices, knowing how to access these backups is essential. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring every step is crystal clear. To begin, you'll want to head over to your iPhone or iPad settings. Simply locate and tap on the grey gear icon to open the settings app. Once you're there, you'll notice your name at the very top of the settings menu, which is associated with your Apple ID. Go ahead and tap on your name. This action will lead you to your Apple ID settings, where you can manage various account details. From this new screen, look for the iCloud option, as we're focusing on it for this task. Tap on iCloud, which will open up a list of all the apps and data utilizing iCloud services. This is where you can manage everything from photos to passwords connected to your iCloud. The next step involves locating the iCloud backup option. You'll find iCloud backup as you scroll through your iCloud settings. It'll be listed as one of the available options. Go ahead and tap on it. This setting is crucial because it governs whether your device is backing up important information to the cloud and allows you to view recent backup data. Once you've opened the iCloud backup section, focus your attention under the backups heading. Here you'll see a list of devices that are linked to the same Apple ID you're currently using, along with any backups associated with those devices. Find your device name in this list and tap it to proceed. For example, if you're doing this on your iPhone, it should be listed right there. After selecting your device, you'll gain access to detailed information regarding your last backup. This is where it all comes together. You'll see a comprehensive breakdown of what's included in the backup. Items like app data, photos, and device settings are usually listed here. It's a handy way to confirm that everything you value is being securely saved and is ready for restoration if needed. By the time you've clicked through these steps, you should have a clear view of what iCloud is backing up from your device. It's a straightforward process, yet it provides peace of mind, knowing that your important data is safe and sound. If you ever need to make changes to what's being backed up or want to ensure certain new apps are included, you can revisit this area anytime. Keep your data safe and stay informed about what's being preserved on iCloud. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.